na najua wageni wetu leo tuko na youth.
Riri mihango ya wiyandikithia wa ikia kurera thie na mbere kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC macokete matura-ini kwarania na mbeu njithi kumahinyiria gwitikira kwiyandikithia ta ikia kura. Murugamiri wa ihinda kamiti-ini ino Moses Sunkuri agicakaya namba nini ya mbeu njithi aria meyandikithitie.
Tuko na target ya kuandikisha mheshimiwa Yohia. We are targeting to register 6.3 million young Kenyans by 2027. Before 2027, that means around June 2027, we need to have registered 6.3 million of you. And you know why we know that? Because tunajua mmechukua IDs. 6.3 million IDs muko nazo. They are out. And especially here, you will see that we have quite a huge number of you who have IDs, lakini bado hamjachukua hiyo registration.
We are heading to voter registration, and we really would want to see the participation of the young people in voter registration, either coming out to register or mobilizing others. We really have to know where is our stand as far as governance of this country is concerned.
Sunkuri augite na beria matanyite kwandikithia ya mbeu njithi ta ikia kura ni milioni 6.3 indi mbeu njithi 200,000 nio meyandikithitie magitigira maya kwa gukinyania namba ino kuona mbeu njithi ni mangathiirie mihango ino na ingi ao matikanyite itemi githurano-ini giki.
We have tried to target you in terms of not just registration but pia mujitokeze, msimame, mtafute viti, tafuteni viti. Commission itawaeleza jinsi imereduce pesa ya kusimama. Najua wengine wanasema pesa ni kidogo, lakini commission imereduce.
Sengine tunatumika vibaya. Sengine tunafanya nini? Tunatumika vibaya. Haswa wakati wa uchaguzi. When we want to demonstrate what changes we want, we don't demonstrate through demonstrations, through violence. Tunafanya changes kupitia kwa nini? Kupitia kwa ballot. Kupitia kwa ballot, sio fujo.
Kamiti ino yugite maabitha ao macokete matura-ini kwaraniria na mbeu njithi kumonia bata wa kwiyandikithia ta ikia kura kuona ni kihoto kiao. Mubunge wa Kirinyaga ya gatagati Gacoki Gitari uria uma mucemania-ini uyu akiuga gicigo kia ubunge kia Mwea kamiti ino yatanyite kwandikithia andu 160 iri no 712 meyandikithitie.
Percentage Kirinyaga Central hata kama msikajiringe lakini mmefanya better than the other constituencies. Sawa, lakini lazima tutie bidii tuchukue kura, si ndio?
Ihinda-inĩ riu Gitari akĩũria mbeu njithi kwa kũhũthĩka harĩ gũtumũra ngahĩha.
Naona ati watu wameregister ni 361. Andũ a gĩcũgũ kathira nĩ mũkumĩra mũcioe gũcioya andũ a gĩcũgũ nĩ mũkumĩra mũcioe kĩa biũ ona gĩcũgũ no gũcera. Nĩ sawa kamũte kwenda ageni manga ino mwire andu moya wekura.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV kuma Kĩrũgũya kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga, Njĩtagwo Wainaina wa Kĩarie.